Ipsita and Tarana, please step forward.
I sort of had an instinct that we were going to be judged together because we've been in so many challenges together.
Ipsita, you were a rock star today. You were so in control. It was just a sight seeing you cook. Gorgeous is not the word. For you and for the food that you cooked today.
Well, Ipsita, it was a joy to see you cook. You were like a boss, manning that fire. You were absolutely rocking it.
All in all, you were actually the boss of the barbecue today. Tarana, you're burnt.
One small mistake of not checking the fish has landed you going home.
That is the first time maybe it brought me into tears because I did something which I knew.
Just take this back. Never, ever, ever serve anything before checking it, before tasting it.
I was not feeling fine because I had a feeling that I disappointed them because they had those expectations from me. So how can I do this?
Nishtha, Chitwan, please step forward.
I was absolutely terrified. The most terrified I've ever been on this show. I remember shaking and my fingers jamming up when I was finally called along with Nishtha for the elimination result.
Ever since we started, we knew the comeback week would see a lot of comebacks, but it would see a lot of you leave Femme Foodies forever as well. Chitwan, what you served in the plate today was not a shikampuri. It was not a shammi. That lacha paratha was not a lacha paratha. After yesterday's raita, the last thing we expected to see was another yogurt-based raita dip.
The vision of your dish today was to bring us these nice mutton kebabs, and you did that. The yogurt was delicious, the mutton tasted really nice, and your lacha paratha was good. But there were some issues with your dish.
Your idea and your vision of creating that Sikh kebab did not show correctly on the plate. Technically, there were a lot of failures.
Chitwan didn't really do a good job that day. Her paratha, her mutton wasn't that great. On the other hand, my dish had a very clear vision to it.
Nishtha, your dish showed a lot of effort. It was a great idea. However, ideas need to become reality. Ideas are like seeds. They need to germinate. That seed didn't really pop.
When I saw you slicing the corn off the cob, I thought that you were going to hero the corn as a part of the barbecue, which would have been absolutely appropriate. Something went amiss, Nishtha.
Well, here we are trying to select between two dishes. Nishtha, you had a great competition so far. Your dish had great vision, had great color, great appearance, great thought. All it did not have was taste.
My dish was well appreciated. They were actually in a dilemma to choose between the both of us. But taste was something which was missing on my plate.
I was honestly not sure if I was going to stay or not because Nishtha put up a better looking dish than me.
Chitwan, your dish had taste. And you're safe in coasting. Nishtha, you're burnt.
It was a very shattering feeling, and I was left behind because of the taste. I was obviously sad.
Good cook, bad day. Chitwan, you've got taste in your hand, and that taste saved you today. Only taste saved you today, Chitwan. Only taste. It's the foundation of cuisine. But you got to build on that foundation and build fast.
A lot of negative feedback given to me. I took it all. And as a chef, I have to learn to take constructive criticism. And that's what I did. So I thought about it a lot. And now, whatever the next task is, I will put my best forward.
Coming from a management background, I thought that I always just wanted to manage a restaurant. Now I know that I even want to take care of the kitchen aspect. From now on, I know that I have to go back to a kitchen, hone my skills, and reach to a place where I know that people would be satisfied eating my food.
Well, unpredictability it is. True for food and true for life. You never know where you might pick up your next food memory from. Well, we have a lot of great food memories and a lot of surprises in store because we're going into week 5 with the top 6 right here on Fem Foodies, only on Living Foods. For now, gotta go. Take care. Have a good night.